Hi, my name is Russ, and this is my wife Naomi. We live in a small town in Mexico called Puerto Peñasco, also known as Rocky Point. Besides fishing and Mexican culture, the area is known for clean beaches and natural surroundings, and it's where we choose to live, work, and play. Choya Bay is a small fishing village close by that is a rare find in today's world. It's where we started Mexicosis, a project to rehabilitate old homes and make them beautiful again. We hope you enjoy this series of videos on our project. So we're back on the inside of our house, January 2019. Yes, we have a heater going. I promised her she didn't have to say anything if I took a video of her painting. It's a very cold day today in February 2019. Tile is going down in bungalow number 3. The bathroom showers are painted, and we even have the pretty blue tile set there. We're also going to use trim tile at the top to tie in the top and the bottom together. All in all, everything's turning out really, really good. So we have about a week of tile work to do in the house. Tony's in the bedroom right now doing this. And once the tile is set, we'll come in and we will manufacture on site all of the cabinets for the kitchen, the bathrooms, and anything, little closets that we want to put in. So it's going to come together in the next 3 weeks. We'll see really big changes. We're kind of using this room as a storage room right now. We've got our bypass closet doors. We've got our 3 internal doors, and we've got our closet door for the kitchen workroom area. All the ceiling fans are here. It's getting exciting. All right, tiles going down. Exciting. Piece by piece. This week the tile will all be down and grouted and ready for cabinetry. Pretty exciting. Let's see what's going on in here. This floor here looks like it's already grouted. Who do I have here?
Yeah, so this tile turned out really pretty. It's like a really light gray. Goes with the white walls. We have the ceiling fans ready to go. Well, I have all the fan blades off to hand paint those.
Okay.
Because I like them to be my little crackle antique look.
Nice.
And then over here we have the glass bypass mirrors for putting in the bedrooms, so those are ready to go.
Okay.
And then in here what we need to look at today is that we have our mermaid showers painted.
Yep.
And then we have a specialty tile in those that are kind of cute little.
Yeah, that's pretty blue.
Blue and grays.
Let me take a look at that tile.
It kind of goes with the floor tiles
Nice.
plus the wall. And then what we need to figure out here is that we have like some funky edges going on, because this has a slight texture to it that ends right here, and then it ends right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to put these tiles as just a little bit of
like an
color,
accent.
an accent. So what I'm thinking is to go on this wall and put it here, and then inside the window.
Yeah.
And then up here, so it would finish off this part that's cement. This is textured up here. And then I was just looking at whether we should go with a two line, like just to cover where this changes, and to give it a smooth edge all the way around, or to go with 3. I had a 3 here too. I was gonna do it to 3. I think I took it out because I think I decided on the 2.
Yeah, I think so.
Got rid of the 3. So anyway, so this would be like a little border along here, out to the mermaid wall, and then just a little bit of splash of color and everything in here and then wrap around
Oh, nice. So we're gonna wrap it in the window
to
too.
the window.
Oh, nice.
That sound okay?
Yeah, it sounds perfect. What kind of finish is on that shower? It's really pretty blue.
This is swimming pool paint.
Wow.
So it's the same stuff, obviously, that goes without saying. Swimming pool paint, the same kind of paint you would put in a swimming pool, thus the
Swimming
name.
pool paint. And it's gonna last a long time because this is just a shower, it's not underwater all the time.
Yeah, but it's super fun. It just makes it all, you know, the whole Little Mermaid idea that we got going on here.
Right, so super cool.